Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Battle Cats. Yep, I love Battle Cats, don't I? Yeah, I do. Did you know that if you do this, you get a stupid cat, but I already have that cat, the bean cat. I think Joe has that cat. Bean cat. AKA the bra cat. Yeah. But today, we're gonna be trying to get a bunch of cat food, because guess what's in the cat capsules? This new cat. It's not even really a cat, it's more like an imp. Yeah, it's an imp. So, like, this is new, I guess. If you've watched if you watched Hell of a Boss by Vivzy Pop, you'll know what an imp is. Immediate murder professionals. When you want to murder gun, you don't want to watch on them because they're immediate murder professionals. Yes, I know. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Anyways, you could buy this, but then I'll waste your time. Also, I'd run out of video ideas, so let's do random stuff. Okay, so first thing we need to do is missions. Rival of Behemoth Cat. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing Battle Cats for the next few weeks, because maybe actually, I don't know really, but I'm gonna go ahead. Wait, Flip, what's the missions? I have a perfect idea. Legend stages. Trip, go. Legend stages. Oh yeah, sorry, I've got. Oh yes, this will give me cat food. I just realised that. I've still got my zombie team out. I forgot that. Yeah, zombie team. But anyways, I'm gonna be like, saving up 2,000 so I can get like my entire cat crew all at once. No, come on. Yeah, that one's a bit slow, because I can't save up for him, because he's an uber super rare. It costs 900 coins. Yeah, I don't understand why the dogs look like they're floating. Do you think the dogs look like they're floating when they go past the cake? This level's really easy. I'm sorry you have to see this, but I'm gonna get 20 cat food. So, like, if you want me to, you know, get the cat food, then, like, you're gonna have to see that. Yep, of course, Joe's playing Fortnite. The most dead game ever, but we both love it. Yeah. Weekend stage, maybe this will drop me cat food. It drops me XP. Okay. Tag Arena. Oh yes, I love Tag Arenas. Okay, I'm gonna... I'm gonna try the lucky one, see if it gives me any cat food. So yeah, going into the quarterfinals. I didn't know I was in the quarterfinals. Wow, flip, this is really gosh dang easy.
In the quarterfinals.
Okay, I love that statue, it's so cute. Yeah, I'm apparently in the quarterfinals according to Battle Cats. Can't deploy anymore. Are you seriously flipping kidding me? I can't deploy anymore. Can't deploy any more than 2. What the flip?
Oh, I hate those levels.
This is weird. Why can't I deploy any more than 2?
It's just the rules of some of the levels. It's really annoying.
That's annoying.
Because then the really
Stupid
hard
annoying.
enemies come out and then we
I can man. I don't get any cat food. Oh, but I completed a mission. Oh, nice. Yes. 66 cat food. 66 cat food.
I tried one before. I was only allowed by 2 basic cats and a ghost and an alien lobster came out.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it so you don't see the advertisements. Because I mean, like, we're not getting sponsored for this. So yeah, I'm just gonna be like watching videos. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, everyone, this might be the moment you've all been waiting for. 6 minutes for. Hell Warden Emma. Hopefully. Not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. Not. Yeah, Joe's done a review on this, and he says it's rubbish. So I didn't get it. That's fine. Now I'm gonna do cat review. Today, which cat will we be reviewing? I don't really know. Today we'll be reviewing Macho Cat. Nacho Cat. Nachos and cheese cat. Sounds so stupid. But yes, that's what I talk about. Anyway, Macho Cat, you must spare slot. Go, Macho Cat.
I had to defeat 3
Bye.
people
Goodbye.
on my own. And guess
Goodbye.
what? I
Bye.
actually did it and I was on 7.
Go, please.
Hey everyone. I just
Please go.
defeated 3 people.
Go, please. Epic.
There was
Okay.
scattered everywhere.
Our army is ready. It's time for Cat Claw Dojo. See how good the Macho Cat does. Cat CPU.
It's really easy.
Sorry.
Hell.
The cat CPU can be quite useful sometimes. I'm just spamming all these cats and it's actually defeating all them squirrels. This is pretty epic, I gotta admit. It's gonna go on for 4 more minutes, so this is gonna be hard to edit. Who's editing this? Oh, me. Anyways, go cats! Come on, defeat the big hippo thing. I forgot what it's called. Is it called an elephant? Oh yeah, it's called an elephant. Sorry, I'm just doing like that. Okay. I had a bad dream. Actually, I had a really good dream, but at the end it was just bad. So I was at school with all my school friends. And then we were meeting some new people. And the person I was partnered up with to show around was Moffix. The My Singing Monsters YouTuber, Moffix. Moffix, did you hear that, Joseph? Moffix, the My Singing Monsters YouTuber, Moffix. Yes, he was ready so I could show him around everything. And how did that happen? I have no idea, but it just happened, which is cool. Oh yeah, because I've got a cat CPU. Thanks, cat CPU. You're saving my fingers here. Wow, cat CPU. You've done some good job.
You like cat CPU?
I only use it on Cat Claw Dojo, okay?
Okay.
I only do it on when I need to save my fingers. I'm just spamming the same cat over and over. And the cat reviews. Let's see if my cats can actually survive this. I don't think they'll be able to, but let's just see if they can. This cat review is going really well, and so far they've scored quite a bit of points. I do say so myself. How many points are they scoring? How many points are they scoring? Flip have got too many coins. Flip have got too many coins. Why have I got so many coins? Because Cat Claw Dojo. Okay, there's no way I'm gonna lose actually, yes. Because no, I'm gonna lose. The massive thing one-shots all my cats. Flip, 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 flip. It's good it doesn't have area damage. Well, let's wait and see if it has area damage. Hope it doesn't. Hope it doesn't. Because I'm doing spamming these cats. Oh flip, I'm not gonna win. Oh flip, I'm not gonna win it. Ooh. Flip, I'm not gonna win. Oh flip, I'm not gonna win it. Ooh. Ooh. I gotta admit, this cat's doing pretty well if you look at the score on the top. Yep. No. If I lose, I can't rate it anything over 5. Okay. Macho Cat. I rate you 4. I rate you 4, Macho Cat. Okay. You were really good. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more Battle Cats videos. If you want to see more My Singing Monsters videos, then probably not going to do that much more. But if you want more, then like and subscribe. Also, like and subscribe if you want more Roblox videos, vlogs, and talk shows, and
please watch our videos.
I do everything. They're watching a flipping video right now. Why is saying please watch our videos? Make sure to view this video. What?
I might not watch our videos.
Okay, maybe they just sent it pop up in their explore section, but like I hope this gets to number 1 on trend, number 1 on gaming. That'll be epic.
I'm gonna start I might start doing Fortnite YouTube videos.
Yeah, we might start doing Fortnite videos.
Can we do one?
I upload weekly.
Please.
We can't. I'm still filming this video.
Okay, when you finish this video.
No one's gonna watch to the end if we don't do anything. Just gonna do another one of these so you'll watch to the end. Yeah.
We really need to.
So like, make sure to subscribe. Also subscribe to Joe's channel when he has a channel.
Cringy Joe. By the way,
Oh.
don't get.
Also, it's not out yet.
Really.
Yeah, when it's out. Also go subscribe to Kitloaf's Crazy Gaming. It's really good. The logo is this loaf of bread with pink eyes, a blue ear.
Forgot I need to.
I know a pink ear, and well, it's not really. I don't know if it's pink or not. I can't really tell actually. But it's not that kind of bright pink. It's like magenta-ish pink. Yeah, magenta eyes, one magenta eye and one blue ear.
Hey, should I put my superhero skin on?
If I knew how to give it paws, then I would have. One paw blue, one paw.
Should I put my
magenta,
superhero skin on? In Fortnite.
Yep.
Complete gold.
Custom superhero, complete gold. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Congratulations to Dark Skies for subscribe
Want
button.
me to be Cake Man?
It's in your new video, by the way.
Want me to be Cake Man?
Yeah, sure. Bye.